evening. I'm in the aircraft, about 30,000 away, and it goes safety. I don't understand one thing, that here the belt is given below, but there is no belt is here. The reason I don't know. Whereas the air hostess, they putting their both in the chest so that they cannot go suddenly forward if anything happens, to prevent the fracture of the backbone. But in case of passenger, there is nothing is there to protect your chest. Whereas in the car, you find that everything should be necessary. So this is the ministry looking after the aircraft. We look at the method, everybody should put the belt, and that's in the chest, belt in the chest. This is very mandatory and very important. Why not you are doing this one? You are doing in the belt on the body lower part, but no, why not in the chest? Very important. So my request to ministry to look after the matter. Thank you very much.